This is Bird Crazy Resort, and we're making some toys. And we have a couple of parakeets that have decided to help out and supervise. This is Lucy and Pearl. And they are, helping out with the toys.
This is the bird test.
The bird test.
Before I put a piece in, I have to make sure it passes quality examination. Quality assurance program right there. Is this good? Is this good? Yeah. Yeah. It passes? Yes?
Oh yes. It holds weight. Yep. It's going through the weight test now. Yep. Yep.
Woo-wee.
And
it was better if
Pearl's
you go
gonna
there.
check out the Dremel tools.
Can you go there, please? Can I have it back? Thank you.
Pearl's gonna test out the Dremel tools. Oh, she's not done. She's like, I think that needs more work. Okay, well, this is it. This is how we do our toys at Bird Crazy. We have 2 official testers that test the quality, inspect the stability, and actually help choose the colors. See? They choose the colors. They pick the ones that they think are great. This is Faith signing off at Bird Crazy. Happy toy making.